眼线歪了找不到。Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Could be better, could be worse. Is that alright?
Okay, nice.
No, I don't know. It's not really nice.
It's not really nice. At least you can call me, so it's not that bad. Like it's nice, you know. Is that?
I don't know, man.
It can be worse, no?
Yeah, at least I'm not dead, you know?
Is it that bad?
No, I'm just a drama queen.
You're a what? Where?
I'm a drama queen.
You're a drama queen? No way.
Yeah,
You're not.
Amen. Hi,
You're outside?
Yeah. I'm about to get some food because I need my food.
Oh, so you went to gym?
Huh?
Did you went to gym?
Yeah, I went to the gym in the morning at 7.
Okay, nice. Wow, at 7, that's crazy. Yeah, like the time that you text me, right?
Yeah, exactly.
I see. Okay.
I'm just gonna do my thing today as well, you know? Just like chilling. Bro, I went to the gym 3 days in a row this week.
It's nice though.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, right. Cause as I remember, like, when we are calling the first time, like you wasn't going.
Yeah, my body's like a little sore, you know? I mean, I've been going to the gym for like what, maybe 2 weeks now? Like consistently, like a lot before that as well, but like now I'm putting extra like energy and time into it because like it's the only thing that's kind of making me feel good right now. So
Yeah, that's true.
I don't know, man. Lately I'm not feeling the best, bro.
Me too. Me either.
Why is you not feeling the best?
Why is you? Why you?
For me, it's not important, man.
For me, it's not important.
Yeah, but it is TV, so you better talk.
What do you mean? Like, why for you it's not important and you can choose to not say it? Why for me I have to say it?
Because otherwise there's nothing to talk about.
Huh? Otherwise there's nothing we can talk about?
Yeah, because I'm not going to talk about my stuff. Maybe later. No, not now.
That's bad.
Wait, can I call you again? I have to recall you once again.
Yeah, sure. 구도해. 카바샤 구도해. 니에 디스는 이게 못 사물하게. 구도해. 계속 가르치면 구도해. 다. Hello.
Fucking God, bro.
Cool. Okay. Is there?
Wait, hold on.
All right.
Yeah, no one's still alive there, so can you hear me?
Oh yeah.
All right, good. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So tell me though, like, what's going on? What's up?
What's going on?
Yeah. Is it about like your work or like your, I don't know, like physically tired, mentally tired? I don't know, like.
Is specifically about mentally stuff.
So what's going on?
Doesn't matter, bro. You know, it doesn't matter. I'm already working on it, you know.
But like for you, if for you maybe it's not important, but like for me it is important.
I understand. I'll tell you another time. I'm gonna have to break.
Oh, it's not a time right now?
No, like, I guess I'll tell you another time, yeah, but I'm not gonna do it right now.
Alright, okay.
I'm kinda extra pissed as well now.
What's going on?
Transport I was trying to take just randomly left, bro, so. Actually, the other one's probably gonna come, hold on.
Alright.
So, I'm gonna have to wait a little bit longer. Anyways, what have you been doing?
What I've been doing?
Yeah.
It's not important. Tell me what's going on.
There's nothing going on specifically right now, but, you know, just...
Bro, there's definitely something going on. Like, even if it's a small about like how you feel, you can tell me. If of course it's not something big, because I can see like, you know, your mood is not down. It's bad, but it's not down. So like at least like.
I'm just good at hiding it. You know what I mean?
That's why, babe. Tell me.
No.
Alright. So like whenever you feel comfortable, just tell me.
Yeah, I will. For things like that in general, you don't need to necessarily ask. I'll tell you when I'm comfortable. You know?
Alright. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Oh,
But when you know that like when you let it out, you're gonna feel much better though, right?
No.
For you, no?
No, not right now.
Alright.
Maybe like later, but right now, there's not really a lot.
Okay.
Okay.
So like you said like where you're going right now?
To get some food.
Oh yeah. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, to get food.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I cannot wait to go to the gym next week as well.
Okay. What about the weekend? You're not going?
Weekend I'm not going. No. Like Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays are days I'm gonna go to the gym.
Okay.
Every day, every week. Maybe I'll get some bonus days as well. I'll find it.
Okay. I see. All right.
Like, my entire body is like, I feel like I'm 80 years old, you know?
If you are 8 years, what about me?
100.
I'm 120. 100. Yeah.
167.
Ish. Why? I'm like double of you.
So you're already double of me right now, right?
No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not double of you. If you're 20, 23, if I'm like 46, yes, you can say that.
I'm just messing with you, though, right?
Okay. Oh, by the way, you're asking me the tuber, right? Yeah, like, do you have any like specific type that you wanna get it? Like the color, the material, the style, and everything. Like you can send me, then I can ask the price, and also like I mean like if you wanted the combo tuber, you don't have to like measuring a lot. Your height is really important, but like the combo style is like really big, so it doesn't matter. And also I need to your like t-shirt size, because
in the Asian size I'm an XL.
XL.
Yeah.
Okay, nice, and because it's matter about the the wunju, like what you wear inside. So like the inside, if it's small, then you're gonna looks.
I can send you something later. I'll show you.
All right.
195.
Okay. Black. You want a full black? Okay. Okay. I see. All right. Okay, I'm gonna look for something like this, and I'm gonna send you a picture, and you can tell me if it's good or not. Like you don't like have something like brown or gray.
Yeah, brown gray is also good.
I think gray is nice though. Like the black, like full black is not like
Yeah, but I like to be a ninja,
You like what?
Huh?
You like what?
I like to be a ninja.
Huh?
I like to be a ninja.
What is that?
Ninja, like...
yeah, ninja. Yeah. Okay. All right. I see. Okay. Yeah, like, I mean, black is good for like suiting with every shoes, you know, matching with a lot of stuff. It's easy to, and you're not gonna get tired, but like, yeah.
Oh, not only that, you know, like I'm gonna look mysterious, and that's what I like.
Okay, I see. And also,
imagine, you know, if you're this tall, like colored guy, and then saying go to share really good.
That's true. That's true.
People are gonna be like, eh.
That's true.
I mean, I don't necessarily have to have it all black. I do have like details. You know what I mean? I'm gonna have like the stuff as well.
Yeah.
Whatever.
And also, like, I want to get a 1-2. If you don't mind, can we get like, you know, similar like like, you know?
You know. Similar what?
What?
You said similar what?
Similar type of, you know, the color and like it's like matching thing.
I mean, obviously.
I can hear you.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's good.
Fucking hell, bro. Actually, I'm gonna continue waiting. I'm not in the mood to get a scooter or fucking shit. No, but I was gonna say, like, yeah, obviously if we would be together, then that's what, you know, that's what I would like as well, you know, to my partner to have like the same type of shit, you know.
Hey, for real?
Yeah, but then obviously I'm gonna have to. But isn't it crazy that I'm gonna have to teach you how to dance go shit? Is that crazy?
Bro, you're not gonna teach me. Nah.
No?
Nah. That's not called teach. That's called you can show me how to do it, and then I do after you. That's not called teach.
And you know that's literally that's teaching. Quite literally.
Nah. Teaching is like you don't know anything about it, and then you can teach me.
That's not true.
That is true. No. I'm not gonna buy this shit. No. I know how to dance. I just don't know the specific song that you like it. The kamba goshi, I don't know.
Oh no. It's still teaching.
It's
It's
okay, my teacher. Please teach me.
Yeah, exactly. Because teaching is not only necessarily learning a topic that you don't know about. It is also about improving skills. You know, what do you like? For example, playing the instrument. You know, you still have people that are learning to play the instrument better from their teacher. You know.
That's true. Okay.
You have teachers. It's not because they're teaching you about something that you don't know about. They're improving your knowledge. I'm going to improve your skill, improve your knowledge.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, you can say that. Yeah. All right. It's good. Okay. Thank you, teacher, for putting me on a line. Become one of your students. Wow, such a.
I'm gonna have to call me Chocho Anu.
You're not gonna be Jojo. You're gonna be my gela. You are my gela.
Oh my god! Oh, exactly on the same time when I was supposed to get food, something happens with the public transport. This is pissing me off, man.
Oh shit! Did you got it?
Yeah, get it what?
The food.
No, not yet. I'm on my way, but I cannot even go on my way.
Ah, okay. I see. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's not crazy. It's annoying. That's what it is.
It's crazy annoying.
You love saying that thing. You love saying that's crazy, don't you?
But you know what I mean? When I say crazy, it doesn't mean like it's crazy. It's like, you know, it's bad.
I know you.
Bruh, you don't know.
I know what you mean by saying crazy. You know, maybe no disrespect, but like broaden up the vocabulary. You know? Fucking hell, man. What is this?
Okay, by the way, I have something to show you. Wait.
What are you gonna show me?
Look at this, alright? Remember last time you were asking me like what kind of products that I'm producing right now? Okay, right now this is kind of out, and guess what it is, alright?
I'm okay.
Okay, what you are expecting from me?
Yeah, of course I know what that is.
What is that?
You think I don't know what that is? You goofball, that's perfume.
No, that's for the face. It's like face cleans. Like I.
But then why is it in such a pretty bottle? Fucking hell.
Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's a perfume. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah.
Oh my god, look at you being fancy. You know, arty. Is a black one for men?
Nah, I mean like both. It's like unisex, so you can wear which one.
I don't know, man. I don't know about that.
You're gonna try. When we met, I'm gonna bring this bottle and you're gonna try. Okay.
But you know, like I like to smell masculine. You know? So like if the perfume is unisex, then you know people gonna mistake me for smelling like a girl. You know?
Hey, smell like a girl. What the fuck's wrong with smell like girl?
Everything.
Bro, smell like girl. Is it bad? Is it that bad that you don't wanna even like be smell like girl?
No, but like imagine though.
Hey.
Okay. No, but like imagine you're a guy. Can you imagine? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Imagine.
No, I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Sorry.
What I'm trying to say, right? Can you hear me?
Yeah, right now, yeah.
Imagine being a guy. You like walk past a couple of girls, right? And they didn't see you, and they smell you. They're like, what's the smell? Oh my god, it smells so pretty. It smells like that. It smells like a pretty girl, you know. And then they see you wear it, then they're like, oh my god, that's good. This guy smells so much like a girl. It's pretty.
Are you homophobic?
No, hell no.
You are. But I'm gay. You know how you can be homophobic?
It's crazy.
Yeah. You know I'm gay, right? Or you don't know?
Of jou kan ik opstellen? Een grote kapsalon kip. Yes. Alles erop. Yes. Okay, card. That's fine. So what did you say?
You are in a restaurant?
I was. I'm talking to you again. Like, what did you say?
I said like I'm a gay. Do you know that I'm a gay?
Yeah, but like, what kind of gay?
Like gay, like gay.
You like women?
Yeah. Can't you see?
Yeah. A little bit, yeah.
Right?
So what am I supposed to say about that?
Huh? You don't have to say anything. I'm asking, do you know that? And you say like, yeah, yeah, you know that.
I see.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah, so you can be homophobic, but you sound a little bit.
You know what's funny? You didn't even notice me turning on my camera. That's crazy.
Oh shit, yes! I didn't see it all. I'm sorry. Oh, you look so fine.
Oh, I don't. It's crazy. Don't lie to me, man.
I'm not lying, bro. I'm not lying. You look so good.
Nah, they lying to me, bro.
No, I think you have to stop to showing me your face.
Okay, fine.
No. I'm just kidding. No, stop, bro. Get that shit back, bro. I need to see you. No. Get it back. You didn't even let me finish my my sentence.
I already know what you were gonna say.
What am I supposed to say?
Something about like, cause I'm gonna fall more in love, or it's gonna be more.
That's not true. That's not what I want to say.
Huh?
No. So show me, and I'm gonna tell you.
Show you what?
Your face, though.
And then you're gonna tell me what?
I'm gonna tell you something.
What are you gonna tell me?
Just show me, babe. You look so nice. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Okay.
You can hear me now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I I said like, no, I look depressed. I look depressed as shit.
Nah, you're not. You're not. If that's called depressed, bro, you never see someone who's like depressing. Your hair is fine. Your face is fine. Your like everything's fine. Like it is.
Not yet. We'll see about that. Huh? Wait, let me show you my surroundings though.
Okay.
Look, my shoes though. Hey.
Hey, it looks so fine.
Appreciate it. Hey.
Yeah, nice. Hey, nice.
The minimals.
Wow, nice.
I'm not gonna lie, it's hot as fuck outside, man.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, but the weather like recently, like in Netherlands, is nice.
It really is.
Yeah, it's really rare to see. So enjoy as much as you can.
No, it's not rare.
It is, bro. I've been there. What you talking about? Like.
No, it's not rare. You don't know about my country.
I don't know about your country.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
But it's true though. I don't know anything about Hungary either. You know.
That's not my fucking country. What you talking about? What do you mean? Like
about the country where you live.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I mean. It's not my country either. You know.
It's not your country. Where are you from?
Where am I from? I'm from everywhere.
You're from Tibet, right?
You know, at this point, I just feel like saying that I'm not Tibetan anymore. Because, like, it's too difficult to explain it to people. Like, oh, you know, I'm just going to be like, no. But if you think I'm Tibetan, then I am.
That's true, yeah. Yeah, you are already, like, so tired of explaining.
I'm tired of it. And I'm also tired of people talking shit about it as well, you know. Because I'm not excited about that either, you know. Because there are some people that are like, oh, like, he goes around calling himself Tibetan and he's not.
Okay.
I'm not gonna.
Yeah.
I don't want that either.
That's true though.
Everybody just annoys me, you know.
When your food will be done?
Yeah. No idea.
Okay.
I just have to wait for that, you know.
So do you like it right now?
Do I like what?
Like right now, like how the things going between us?
I mean, I don't really have an opinion about it, to be honest. Like, I don't say it's bad. You know, that's why I'm still talking to you.
I mean, like as you said, like we have to slow it down, and then we are slow down right now. Like, are you satisfied right now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wanna keep continue like this? Just let me know, then I can do like your. Okay. All right. Nice. Okay.
Otherwise, I wouldn't have called you, you know.
Okay, that's true. Okay.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm just a very difficult person.
I can see, but I like it.
You like that?
Yeah. No, I don't like difficult people. Okay, but I like it if you are difficult people. You know, like I like for me, I can. It's not like I can handle it, but like I'm having the. I feel like I can try to, you know, deal with you.
What do you mean by that?
You know.
What do you mean by that?
Because usually I don't like, you know, someone who's like really complicated, right?
Well, I mean, I'm not complicated. I'm just, you know, I don't know how to explain.
Okay, which word you was using?
Huh?
Which word you was using?
That's all I was saying. Like,
It's not complicated. It's complicated, right? You were saying complicated.
Well, I'm not complicated. I don't think I am, to be honest.
Okay. So what you were saying?
Honestly, I don't know.
You don't know what you're saying.
Not really, no.
Okay. Nice. It's nice that you don't even know what you're saying and you're still talking to me.
How is that? How is that nice? Isn't that should be really bad, you know?
No, it's fine. But you know, like you don't know what you're saying and you don't even care like what you're saying, but we're still on a call.
True.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So what's your plan for is it like holiday for you guys today?
No, I just work.
Oh yeah. Okay. I thought you didn't want to work today.
Passionate worker, bro.
Okay.
I mean, today I didn't go to work, no.
Why?
Because I'm off every Friday.
Oh, okay. So what have you done today?
The gym and being at home doing whatever. My hobbies, sleep as well after gym. And help my dad. I went to the gym. Can you hear me?
Yes.
I went to the gym with my dad.
Oh, that's so cool. Is it?
Yes.
Yeah, nice.
He's the owner of the gym, so.
Ah, okay. One of the owner.
No, he basically is the owner of like Basic Fit.
Okay.
You know Basic?
Yes.
Yeah, he's owner of half of the company.
So can I have one suggestion? I've never been into gym first of all. But you know, like, did you guys have the bag, the school, like looks like school bag, but I don't know, like the travel bag? Do you know like there's something exist?
Like something for the Basic Fit like that.
No, wait. Like, okay, in you guys, like the gym, right? The gym company? In your company, and you guys have the thing for the, like, you know, if first, like, I want to register for the gym, and then I'm gonna pay some money, and I'm gonna get a card, you know, then I'm gonna get a gift from the gym, you know, right? Like a small gift. And that thing is actually like the bag. You know what I'm talking about, the bag?
Yeah, but what's with the bag then?
Yeah, the bag is so ugly and so looking so bad.
Yeah, but they don't have that bag anymore.
For real?
Yeah.
But do you know like which bag I'm talking about?
I know which bag you're talking about, but they have another bag now, so.
Okay, they stopped. Oh shit, that's so nice. Thank you for telling me this huge good news. I love it.
It doesn't really matter, to be honest. You know? Like, I don't even use the bag.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Like, if the things like they gonna give you as a gift, so they can use like, you know, same material, like everything, but like, you know, a little bit better, like as a simple. That was like the color and everything is like so bad.
Like for me, like I just go to the gym because it's nearby. Like with me, I just literally take my gym clothes and a bottle of water, nothing else.
Okay.
So I don't really need. I've never used the gym bag. I don't think I ever will.
Okay.
Then I know.
All right. Thanks God, it's finished now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm kind of getting pissed.
Why is that?
Like
The food is coming so slow.
Oh, that doesn't matter. The weather's nice. I can wait. It's more like Can you hear me?
Yeah.
The person I was talking to, right? They dance the Gorshe as well. And I follow like the Gorshe like Instagrams. You know, I blocked her everyone on Instagram, but I do follow the Gorshe Instagrams, and like sometimes I see her, it makes me annoyed.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, that's the thing like make you depressed?
No, not at all.
So, okay, you saw this thing and make you annoying?
Yeah, it's just annoying, man, because I don't want to see shit.
So can you press like don't suggest this person.
No, but that's the thing. I do want to see the Gorshit, but like it's just those Gorshit accounts. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, okay. The person like who's dancing it inside the video.
Yeah.
Oh, which one is her? Let me see.
I'm never gonna tell you.
Okay.
I'm never gonna tell you.
All right.
I haven't told anyone. Nobody knows. Only one person knows. Actually, fun fact. Yeah.
So no one knows that you guys were dating?
Yeah.
Oh, that's crazy. Okay.
That's good. Yeah, it's not my choice, you know, but. I mean, it's better, you know, because I don't know. I don't want people to have shit.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Nice.
It is.
Yeah.
It's whatever though.
So you cannot see like any other countries goshi, any other like
No, I do. I already do. But like sometimes I just see it and it's annoying. You know, it's annoying.
Okay. I see.
Yeah. I don't mind too much, but still, you know, I just really don't like them, bro.
You just really don't like what?
Them, you know.
Them like who?
Yeah, that person.
Ah, okay, that person. Okay, but like, how comes like you guys broke up like for how long?
Huh?
How long you guys broke up? Like from until now?
That's pretty recent, actually, bro.
No way.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter. It's not too recent. Don't worry about it. No?
But that's crazy. Like, why? Like, I thought like I heard you are saying like that was like 1 year ago.
It was last year. Yeah.
So you guys broke up last year?
No.
So why I'm hearing something like you broke up last year?
Because technically I did, you know, but then we like.
Oh, went back together again?
For like 3, 4. There wasn't really a breakup last year. It was more like not talking.
Okay.
You know?
Yeah.
And then we like really tried recently for like 3 months, and that's when I broke up with him. You know.
Okay, so when did you broke up?
A month ago.
A month ago?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right.
Don't think that it's like affecting me too much, because it's not. That's not the thing, you know. Because I am over it, but it's just like I'm still annoyed, you know. Obviously. Man. I'm gonna do some groceries as well. Like in a minute, I'm gonna go to the store and get some groceries.
Okay, nice. Or what if like after you got home, like maybe if you can, like if you feel like you wanna call, maybe we can have a call. Like right now, like you can do your stuff.
Well, I mean, I'm not. You're not. What should I hang up? Because I wasn't planning to do that, you know.
Ah, okay. No, because I thought like you are kind of busy, you know, like you want to do this and do that. I don't want to like distract you.
I mean, I called you, so, you know.
Okay.
If I was busy, I wouldn't have called you, so.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
Nice. Okay.
I'm so hungry, bro.
What did you order?
Long story.
Long story?
Yeah.
What did you just order? Why is long story?
I don't know what the word would be in English for it.
No, I'm talking about like what did you just order?
Yeah, I don't know what the word would be in English.
Okay. The food. Okay, alright, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like what? Is it like sandwich or with rice or with I don't know.
No. 2 potatoes.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Hello? What you doing?
waiting.
Why you aren't talking?
Because I'm waiting for my little girl.
Okay.
Yeah, what was meaning? Well, I was it's okay, man. I didn't it's okay, you can just give it to me like that now.
You got the food?
Thank you, man.
You got it right now?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, you got it right now. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I finally got my food, bro. Fuck, you know.
Congratulations!
Fuck, you know. Celebratory camera turn on. Hey, fuck, you know. Fuck, you know. What the fuck, man? Look at this. Fuck, you know.
You wanna go back eat right now?
Oh, I'm not gonna eat. I'm gonna eat outside. Are you crazy? Nah.
You don't like to eat outside?
No, I want to eat at home. I'm gonna get some more.
Okay.
Then we Gucci, you know. Bro, it's genuinely so hot outside. I would tell you. I'm wearing way too many clothes for it.
Yeah, I can see. Even at winter, I don't wear something like this.
What do you mean? I'm wearing a body warmer and a hoodie.
That's a lot.
That's not a lot, bro. What?
That is a lot. Like, how comes it's spring? Like, how comes what you are wearing? Like,
I mean, because it's the Netherlands, bro, so. And I also like thought I was gonna drive, you know, but I'm not gonna drive.
oh, okay.
I thought I was gonna be on scooter, but I wasn't. Yeah. Alright. Guess what I'm gonna buy in the store.
What?
I'm gonna. You cannot ask me. I told you to guess.
Like, I have no clue. Like fruits, milk,
No. Yes.
milk. Yeah,
That's crazy. That's crazy that you knew right away. Actually.
yeah. You said you like milk a lot.
Did I?
Yeah, you said that.
Yeah, I like yours. No, actually, wait, pause. What? I'm so happy that you didn't hear what I said, bro.
What did you say? What did you say? I didn't hear, for real.
No. It's fine.
It's something bad, right?
Yes.
I know.
How do you know? Who told you? Who told you?
Who told me?
Yeah.
I know it. Like 90% of like what you say is bad thing.
Really? Then why are you talking to me? If everything I say is bad, huh?
Not everything, 90%.
So you're sticking around for the 10%, you're telling me?
You are saying 90% bad thing, but my percentage is 1,000. So out of 1,000, 90 is nothing. Right?
Somebody needs to help you, man.
Why? Why is that?
It doesn't seem like that's. It seems like you need a little bit of help with thinking, you know. Doesn't
Huh?
sound like the doesn't sound like the safest way of thinking.
Doesn't sound like what?
Doesn't sound like the safest way of thinking, you know. Like you're a danger to yourself.
Oh my god, so funny. Am I funny girl?
No comment.
Bro, you're laughing as crazy, like how you are saying I'm not funny.
I was laughing at myself, you know. I walked past the mirror. I said I was laughing at myself. I walked past the mirror.
That's not true.
Huh?
That's not true.
Oh yeah, really? You would never know because you don't see me right now, so. So I'm gonna do some cooking today, you know.
What you gonna cook? You just bought the food.
Yeah, but for later, you know, because I need to eat a lot. Because of the gym, right? I told you.
Yes.
I'm gonna make chicken liver.
Nice. What type of chicken?
Chicken liver.
What did you just say?
What? Chicken liver. You know what that is?
Oh, chicken liver. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna eat.
Yeah, it's nice for the gym body. Isn't it?
Yes, it is. It has a lot of protein, you know what I mean? I like that.
I know.
Well, how do you know? Who told you?
Bro, this is like
Huh?
this is common sense.
Really?
This is common sense. I don't have to know or get told by someone else.
Oh, is that so? So now you're just challenging me.
What do you mean?
You just the shit that you see. Crazy stuff. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Is
Some
it?
shit that you just yeah.
Okay. Bad, like crazy in a bad way or bad way? Like good way?
No, wait. What are you talking about?
You said that's crazy, so I'm asking like crazy in a good way or bad way?
Crazy in a crazy way. What about that?
No, there's no such a thing like crazy in a crazy way. There's only like crazy in a bad way or crazy in a good way.
No, that's not true. That's also crazy in a crazy way. You know?
Nah, there's no such a thing. Sometimes you say it's crazy, so either it's bad side or the good side.
Really?
Yeah,
That's crazy.
that's crazy. Magic.
Huh? Wait. I'm thinking like, what kind of snack am I gonna get, you know?
Okay, what you gonna get?
Thinking about it. I was like low-key, I like chocolate the most.
Do you like something sweet?
Yeah. Idea. No, I'm not gonna buy it yet, though. I'm not kidding.
Oh, by the way, like, do you know the thing, like the it looks like a pancake, but like small pancake, and it's there's only I can found it in Netherlands. Like,
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean.
yeah, like it's like thin, right? It's not thick. It's a thin, and it's like cookies.
Yeah, I know you mean.
Yeah, like, do you like that thing?
Yeah, it's nice.
I love it. That's the best food, like best snacks.
Yeah, you like that?
In whole fucking Europe, that's the best.
What are you eating right now, by the way?
No?
I can hear you crunch. I said, what are you eating right now? Because I can hear you crunching.
What I'm eating?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna tell you.
You're eating chips.
Yeah.
Why would you beat around the bush? Just tell me. Next time.
Yeah, because I don't want to tell you. I want you guess by yourself.
Carlo, the funniest person in the world, huh? That's you.
Right? That's what I'm saying. I'm asking you, am I like fun, you know? And you was like, oh no, you're not. Like, I'm just looking at mirror by my... Like,
I'm gonna be real.
Like, to be honest, yeah, for real. Like, yeah, let's go.
No. Like, to be honest, like, for real.
Yeah.
You know, like, I'm just being nonchalant, you know? But actually, you are kind of funny.
I know. Thank you. You are saying something that I know. Yeah, but like, thank you.
Okay, so what's the point of me saying it then? Next time I'll just...
But I want to hear from your mouth though.
Yeah.
So do you think like I don't know me? I born today that I don't know myself. I've been living with myself like 29 years old, 29 years. So like, how am I supposed to not know myself?
I keep forgetting you're 29. And every time you say that, something dies in me.
Huh?
I said I keep forgetting that you're 29. You know?
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm 29, so I know myself 29 years ago.
What are you saying?
Yeah, so do you think like do you think like I don't know, like I'm funny? I'm a funny girl.
You're humorous, sure.
Yeah, right.
And you're just asking for compliments at this point.
Bro. For real, do you think like I need ask for a compliment? I don't need to be honest.
Oh, yeah. No, but you definitely don't need to. But I'm just being an ass right now. I'm being the biggest ass ever.
Okay.
So I'm sorry for being an ass, bro.
What did you say?
I'm just being mean, I guess, or rude.
What did you say? I didn't hear.
Nothing. What are you doing right now?
Eating my chips.
And what else?
Nothing, using my phone.
Looking at your phone, what are you looking at?
Calling you.
And what else?
I'm trying to do something like really like matters to me.
Like what?
Like try to getting know my future husband. Bro, why you're not laughing? I think that's the most funniest joke I've ever said in my life. Bro.
Okay. No, that's crazy.
Bro, that's crazy, but you are not laughing. I need you to laugh and say that's crazy.
You would see my face. You would see that. I'm just trying to hold in my laugh. It's like, what?
It's funny, right?
I guess so.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do right now. It's like really important thing.
You actually are pretty funny.
Yeah, I can see that's not what I asked for. That's what you say by your heart, right? Yeah.
I mean, my heart doesn't speak, so I don't know where you got that from.
Your heart doesn't speak, but your mouth speaks. Bro, why is so funny? Like,
I actually are pretty goofy. Not gonna lie.
I know.
What? I didn't expect you to be this goofy, no?
Huh?
I didn't expect you to be this goofy.
You didn't expect that, right? And you're goofy too, so we match. No? Bro, I can't hear you. Bro. Broski.
You? No, I was saying, like, I was laughing because you said, like, oh, you're goofy too, so we match. Bro, that's hilarious.
Cause this is what you said before. Like I don't know what it's like.
Okay, tell me joke right now.
Oh, you wanna laugh right now?
No, not necessarily. I'm just curious, you know. Like, let's see how funny that. Yeah.
Okay. One thing you will guess. Okay.
Okay.
This is a joke. This is a Tibetan joke. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There's a bird in Lhasa, right? You know Budala Palace is in Lhasa, right? What, bro? What's funny right now?
Wait. You said the joke, right?
Yeah, but I haven't done yet.
What isn't done yet?
I haven't done yet. Like my joke is, bro.
The joke isn't done, but the bird is. The bird in Lhasa.
Yeah, is it funny? Bro, that's a fucking fake laugh. That's fake laugh.
That's not a fake laugh, but it's the realest ever.
Okay, but wait. My joke is not done yet.
Oh, my joke is better.
Wait, hey, bro, you have to listen to my joke. Wait,
you're not done with the joke yet?
Bruh, like, so you're not gonna let me finish my fucking joke? No way.
Wait, so, no. Joke.
Okay, are you ready for the joke?
Yeah.
Okay, there's a bird, right? Bro. You see, I haven't even started. Bro.
You didn't even start?
I haven't even started. There's a fucking full story and you're laughing.
Wait, you're gonna tell me a story?
It's not a story, but it's a funny thing. Wait.
So you're gonna tell me funny things, so you're not gonna tell me a joke?
It's a joke, yeah. But please, listen. Please.
You're begging already, that's crazy.
Alright, listen to me, please.
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, go for it.
Okay, there's a bird, right?
Wait, I'm being called by my dad.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Alright.
What Бодла чүүжиг бодла дүнэ пибриса. Топёго я чүүмаа сая красна лаужс. Чүүги шоувэ чүүги шоу ла ба юу ч шиг. Nga khoди lok bo sam khoi ga lok khur chүү khur mu dukan che. Дүндээ чүүш мэвэл та гейм шоу руу чүүш мэв та game show руу. Game зэмэр догнэр доо. 你可game 专门这么点了不啦？可能这啥第5年或者17年先叫 game 意思。game 专门到我那儿多。game 我那儿多，看是。跟你说的，因为我那爱，大概你也 game 起来现在记不得，我以为他在模仿我的笑声，没呗？他就是在假笑。你得记清楚，你什么？就是我以为他在，我刚刚也讲个 disc 呢，我以为他在就是就是为了应和我的这个这个搞笑的故事，然后他就在假笑，我以为是这样子，但其实我不知道，我现在也不知道他是不是在真笑。但你们觉得你们两个在说我的意思？你们觉得我是他在真笑吗？模仿你的笑，对我也感觉在模仿我的笑，你感觉是真的吗？没，对他挂了，他说他要给爸爸打电话还是干嘛，然后他要给我打回来，也有点像，对吧？我感觉他在模仿我的笑，就是切脸熟悉给我呗，没有他真的笑了噻。有一点点假，对我也感觉有一点假，但是我从来没有听过他笑声，我听过他那样哈哈哈这样子笑，但是没有那种嘿嘿嘿，他英文那给或者嘿嘿嘿说起起来没有？哎，你也不知道是没有？我真的很不喜欢我的笑。你三把对，他会，这是他的爱的语言。如果他在模仿我的话，他的 love language 他在模仿别人，切来给外地，他对他来说，他说这是他的爱，表达爱意的方式噻。괜히 game 잡시에 나 도스라 지다 니 나오나래 콩아 렌드에 제제 니 고메베 game 니 고메베가 어디前面 나와라 수도 多年呗，有这么多听说明天给他挠痒痒挺小事，明天见不到呀，他在荷兰见不到。你在什么嘞？去不在是啦，去不出去看过是啦，没让给出去拿不过是啦，拿不过是啦。你的了吧？出去棕色的，下面呢的。灰色的人지금多了吧？灰色工作俺来三去不没事，看白去不灰色性格的토뉴呗，就是토뉴呗，看不见灰色的，没然样看不见没什么事啦。你你的了吧？让人家开始去不几语呢？让人家开始去不几是学你啥的？但金汉 baby 给好过下，你闹完那了，金汉嘛都汉金 baby。汉金 baby 是可能，我的年的了年，这是年你工作年什么了？年什么了？我那现在看俺模仿出来，给没说是几个，是真笑，应该不是模仿意思，但俺来好我们说，因为我真的没听过他这么笑没呗？哎呀，给啥的了？啥手情没呗？其他军差不没呗？俺给这直接看手摇噻。念着吧，俺让冷面了吧，然后他就说薯片是意思，你日了吧，快点现在说薯片是那俺没了解开这个啥，又感觉爱的表示啥还我们做，可能是故意逗你笑啥，看一年没让给那什么的，他在求了不能点现在说什么的。Hello?
Hello?
Yes?
Yeah, my dad just called me. I told you my dad called me. So.
Okay, you home already?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
You know what my dad said? My dad said, my dad was like, yo, there's this bird in Tibet, right, in Lhasa.
So you told this to your dad?
Yeah.
Bro, what did he say?
He was like,
No, bro, that's literally fucking. Bro, stop doing this. So that's not your real laugh.
this is my real laugh.
No, it's impossible.
No, but genuinely, like, I told you my love language is like being annoying, so I'm sorry.
So that's not your real laugh.
Which one?
Bro, seriously? Wait. Let me tell you the jokes. Let me finish.
No, okay.
Yeah, so there's a bird, right? In front of
Yeah.
in front of Bodala Palace, you know, right?
What?
In front of Bodala Palace. You know, right? And then, you know, like he's flying, right?
No way.
Wait, birds can fly, right?
Yeah.
And the birds is flying, right?
Yeah.
And why, like in front of when the bird sees the Budala Palace, why he fall down on the floor?
Tell me.
Why? You have to guess.
I don't know, because he's tired or because he went to the gym.
He went to see. No. Again.
Because he saw his ex dancing Gorshe on Instagram.
Bro. Ish. No, again.
Because he saw Carlo calling him.
No. Okay, you wanna know the answer right now?
Yes.
You know what? Because he's praying. When he pray, he put his. Bro, it's not funny.
You know what's a better joke?
Bro, like seriously, you are just like laughing, like fake laugh.
That's not true. I'm laughing. Seriously.
You're laughing. So this is your real laugh.
No.
Okay, how? So you see, that's not real laugh. So you are just making fun of me.
I'm not making fun of you.
You are.
Am I hurting? Am I being mean?
No. Wait. So don't you think like the joke is funny?
It's alright. I just know a better one.
Okay, tell me the better one.
Where's this bird in Lhasa, right?
That's your real laugh. That's your real laugh. Bruh. I can see. Okay, so now that's your real laugh. Okay.
Oh, that's a fake one. That's a fake one.
No, you cannot be.
That's not how I laugh.
That's how you exactly laugh. You're like.
That's not how I exactly laugh. Like, no, you fun out of me and that's how.
That's how exactly. That's my love language, baby. You know, when I do this, that means like I like the person.
And now you're making fun out of. Okay, so wow, you're just copying my entire love language.
Okay. Okay. You cooking right now?
Huh?
Are you cooking right now?
No. What are you crazy?
Why? Why am I crazy? I'm asking some normal stuff.
No, am I cooking right now? She says that's crazy word.
Are you cooking? Yeah, like you're cooking, right?
No, I just ordered food. I'm gonna eat my food.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. This is actually so nice. Wow.
Seriously, how long you didn't eat? For 2 years?
Look at this.
Wow, actually, yes, looks nice.
No, it doesn't. You're lying to me. It's really bad. But
I mean, it looks healthy.
Yeah, it kind of is.
Yeah.
Man, oh. I'm actually, wait. I'm actually gonna show you my age.
Okay.
You know how young I am?
You're 23.
No, but like I'm so young. I need to watch a video while I'm eating, bro. So like, is it okay if I call you back?
So you're gonna call me back?
Yeah, but I need to watch a video while I'm eating.
Hey, that's crazy, literally. What if I show you some movie?
No.
You don't wanna see my movie?
Are there naked people in the movie?
Yeah.
Can you show me a trailer? Can you show me a trailer?
My trailer? What is trailer?
Like a short video that shows the movie story.
The trailer. Yeah. Nah. I can only open my camera and show you.
You're the fucking funniest person in the
I love that. That compliment is literally like 100% come to your heart.
No.
Bro, it is. I can hear.
No, it's sarcasm.
So you think I'm not the most funniest person in the world?
No.
Okay, name me a person who's more funny than me.
My dad.
No. Okay. Tomorrow, me and your dad gonna have a competition and see who's more funnier.
All right.
Definitely, I'm gonna win.
He's gonna win.
That's not true.
He has a really good joke. He's gonna be like, there's this bird in love.
That's not true. You see, you're laughing. So that's a fake laugh. That I was making fun of your laugh. So right now you're trying to laugh in a different way, and you be like ha ha ha, and you are no before the real laugh that you got, it was like, and right now you're like ha ha ha.
Listen, I'm gonna be real with you.
Bro, you're. Hey, in this case, you cannot fool me. For real, in this case, you cannot fool me because I've met a lot of people. They do this shit,
No. You haven't met me though, not yet. So listen, I'm gonna tell you this right now, okay? We can FaceTime and you can turn on your camera after I'm done watching my video while I'm eating my food because I need to watch a video while I'm eating my food. I need to watch a documentary.
That's what I'm saying. I can show you the real fucking documentary.
No, dude, afterwards.
The most realistic.
No, dude, afterwards.
Alright, I'm just kidding. Alright, yeah, enjoy your dinner.
No, you're not kidding. I just rejected you. That's the thing. But you're not kidding, and I'm sorry for rejecting.
Hey, bro, I'm literally kidding. What you talking about?
No.
I swear, if you ask me to turn on, nah, because I look so bad right now. No, I'm just kidding. Definitely. Now you don't even know me.
Let's change that, because when I come back from watching the video, you should turn on your camera. So.
I'm gonna see. When I look good, yes. Yeah. Alright. Just enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your movie or video or documentary.
Not a movie, documentary. Yeah, documentary.
Okay, whatever. Enjoy it. Enjoy your dinner and have fun.
Really? You serious? You don't hate me? You're not angry at me?
Hey, bro. Am I that fucking psycho? I'm not psycho.
No, that's true.
Hey. Nah, don't judge me like this. I don't care. I don't really care.
I'm not judging you at all.
I don't care what you were doing.
Okay. Alright.
Do you care?
No.
Okay, alright. Alright, enjoy. Bye.
Bye-bye.
这是啥？就真的很搞笑，咱就说真的很搞笑。我那会儿就差现在或者没完，但你虽然那了，别方便干家庭呗。这是啥？他这些都，你得了吧？那扩充看，你看了没？扩充扩你预备。最后为啥生气了噻？玛丽，他问我是不是生气了？你这是那么说呀？你这那么说，可能这是啦，卡拉斯对着嘛视频打个不有是啦，卡拉对着嘛的，我只能去卡拉斯对我视频打，俺的视频打个不能有卡拉斯对着嘛，你卡拉斯对视频打个不能有是啦，可你这了吧？你可是你俺夸生呐，可把卡拉斯从夸丢用故事，你这了呗？可视频到嘛的，你可视频演可了呗？把这呀看起来你觉得视频赢了，但是大家知道吧？我这个不是我认真说的，肯定是俺他的 iPad 呢，你懂点其他那一切没把这些东被哭掉了，可不得用这钱嘛的。当然我不是说把这个真的打开死我嘛的吧，可俺的啥，你知道呀？怎么你的那么让你俩看了要就说点苗子点差当啊，快就说了，可的啥让弄来没呗。让弄了没呗，让控制生物多上啊，让这个生物多啥？ I was like，但烟火马路那边我他的俺没让他视频聊吧，其实呢，我会从这儿直播的嘛下架，我会从这儿视频请嘛呗。我当然没有准备好啊，没得，没让这是，你这些也比我这些，我他的当年不相当于我他的点样火面那边，呀，你看那些差不多点样啥，你这个瞧我那边，